What's up guys, Jared here with Staying to Auto Reviews, and today's video is going to be a bit of a different one. We are going to try to remove tint from an Acura RSX. Yes, not add, remove. My friend wants to get it tinted, and instead of paying to get it removed, he just wants to try to remove it himself with a heat gun. So we're going to film the process, see if it goes good, if it goes bad. I'll let you know what we do, and hopefully it'll be a fun video. We'll see what happens, but here's the car. It's right behind me, and yeah, there it is. Let's get into it. All right, so starting off, we got the heat gun, and we're gonna see what we can get done with this door. So we're just gonna constantly apply, and hopefully we'll start getting some results soon. You can see that thing glowing in the reflection. So hopefully we get something good out of it. I'll update you soon. Alright guys, so as you can see, we made a little bit of progress. We got a little bit coming off right here. If I can get the focus for y'all. We're gonna keep going at it though, see if we can get it all. So as you guys can see, it all came off. We just have a little residue right here, which we'll get off with like a safe razor setup. And we also had a little spot over here, which is currently coming off. I can't seem to operate my camera. But yeah, it's off. And then the old tint, it went somewhere. But either way, it's gone now. Oh shoot, here it is. I want to show y'all. There's some tint for you. That's all it is. Yeah, that's all it is. All right, let's keep making progress. All right, so while we were working on the front, I decided to start on the back over here. I was able to actually start peeling without using the heat gun. So I'm gonna work at this back end while the residue gets taken off with the front end. All right, so update, side's still being worked on. Back two are done. There was no tint over there. And starting for the back right here, we already got it peeling up. We didn't really have to apply much heat, luckily, but as you can see, we got it. So let's go ahead and start. That the whole back is off. As you can see, we got a little bit of residue here, which we'll have to clean off, but here's all that we pulled. Pretty good bit on the back. As you can see, this proves that you can take the tint off by yourself at home. Just have a heat gun, be careful, have some goo gone for the residue, do some careful peeling. Tint places, they try to get you to spend like 100 plus for this. It depends on where you go, but you can easily do it at home with the right stuff. The heat gun was like 15 bucks, I believe. All the other stuff, not that much. You can do it for much less yourself. So it is possible. Heat gun does work. Just be careful, be safe. But hey, successful mission today. Worked out well. We learned something new. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps somebody out. If it does, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this with anyone that needs it. And until the next video, I'll see you guys. Peace out.